kids' cartoons that teach the law of attraction. Hello, positive peeps. It's me, Lori, your positivity princess. I'm here bringing to you a slightly different look at the law of attraction and how to teach it to your children. I have a list of 6 children's shows that demonstrate various aspects of the law of attraction. For each, I will explain very briefly what the show is about and then how it teaches the law of attraction to kids. Also, to people new to the law of attraction, it could be a nice easy way to ease them into it. Just a side note, having a little chat and pointing out certain aspects of these shows for your kids can have a positive impact and allow your little ones to have their own unique awareness that surrounds the law of attraction and the true powers that they possess in this universe. Let's get started. Number 1, Lego Ninjago. This show can be found on Netflix. The show has 12 seasons, although Jacob reassures me that number 13 should be out soon. This show essentially is about 6 young ninjas who have to fulfill their destiny by defeating evil. Part of their path includes realizing their full potential and learning about how powerful their own mind can be. They each represent an elemental power that they inherit from their parents from generation to generation. This includes wind, fire, lightning, energy, ice, golden power, water, mind, and earth. So a lot of these are elements that you find in sacred geometry. The concept balance and yin and yang is represented as good essence, like creation, and complemented by the opposite, or evil essence, like destruction. The saga goes on and on. Number 2, Gravity Falls. This show can be found on the streaming service Disney+. There are, how many seasons?
2.
There are 2 seasons. What is the show about? Dipper Pines and his sister Mabel Pines are invited to their great uncle Stan's home for the summer. He owns a museum of strange attractions called the Mystery Shack.
It's not a museum, it's like...
The kids end up working for him for the summer. They think it'll be boring, but Dipper finds a journal that reveals that the town has so many interesting secrets. This show has so many strange and interesting concepts, including time-space continuum, cloning, supernatural creatures, and even the concept of having a destiny. Mabel is incessantly positive and happy all the time, and things generally work out for her. She's very eccentric by personality, but she owns it. She is her authentic self. The show also demonstrates a character who is a triangle with an eye in the middle. It has a hint of Illuminati, although it never uses the word. This character is called Bill Cipher, and he is evil. I still recommend this show as the law of polarity and duality are both demonstrated very clearly. Where good exists, bad also has the potential. There is a heavy follow your destiny message as well. Check it out. Number 3 is Star Wars. YouTube contains many Star Wars videos. Disney Plus has the entire saga as well. Okay, this one can be a cartoon or not. It doesn't even matter. The Star Wars saga can be found in Lego version or just straight cartoon or even live action. The concepts in these shows just scream law of attraction. The most striking theme in Star Wars is the idea of having a purpose or a destiny and that nothing can get in the way of it. The Force, which is a power that some individuals possess, is controlled by the mind. And it can only be mastered through belief in oneself and through practice. Sound familiar? The evil versus good theme is intense and it permeates every film, show, and scene. The good side is shown as light, bright, calm, meditative, and in control. The evil side is shrouded in darkness, fear, anger, and impulsivity. Duality is everywhere. Number 4 is called Avatar: The Last Airbender. This one perhaps should come first. There is a scene in season 2, it's episode 19, where the main character is taught how to meditate effectively. He's also taught what the chakras are and how to clear them so that the energy can flow through them. The description of the show by IMBD is, okay, here it goes. The world is divided into 4 elemental nations: the northern, the southern water, the tribe, and the earth kingdom, the fire nation, and the air nomads. The avatar upholds the balance, and between the nations, But everything changed when the Fire Nation invaded. Only the Avatar master of all 4 elements can stop them. But when the world needs him most, he vanishes. 100 years later, Katara and Sokka discover the new Avatar, an airbender named Aang. Together, they must help Aang master the elements and save the world. The show is currently on Netflix, and I discovered it by accident, actually, by doing a search for a simple way to explain the chakras. I was trying to identify the elements that each chakra represents, and this show appeared to me. I find that in my awakening, a lot of times, the right information is placed in front of me at the right time in the right way. So in this episode, the chakras were explained as a river running through us. That's the energy. The chakras are checkpoints or small whirlpools along the river. So at each checkpoint, sticks or stones or debris can block the flow. This is like us having certain things blocking our chakras. It opened my eyes, and I know the same can happen for my kids and your kids as well. So check it out. Okay, number 5, Spongebob. The show is about a sea sponge who lives in an underwater town called Bikini Bottom. He is a happy-go-lucky guy who is able to make the best of any situation. He's very naive, but he's also very responsible. He works at a local burger joint. This show demonstrates how staying happy and in good spirits is very important. Spongebob is an eternal optimist and always essentially keeping his high vibe. He's very lucky and good things happen to him all the time. Another idea from the law of attraction that is demonstrated is being grateful. Every situation and everything that happens to him, he's able to find the good in it. He's able to find the positive or able to be grateful for it in some way. So if his whole home explodes, he's able to find the scraps left over and be happy for that. So that is why SpongeBob is a great show to demonstrate the law of attraction. The 6th or the last one on the list is more of a set of shows or genre of shows. So examples include Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Smurfs, Barbara Papa, Care Bears, My Little Pony, Power Rangers, Legends of Chima, and the list actually goes on. These shows have one thing in common. Can you figure out what it is? Each of these shows demonstrates individual differences and how these must be embraced. I say that this is a law of attraction idea based on the law of gender, the law of balance, the law of polarity. All of these show that all types of people are needed for a balanced world. No one is better than anyone else, and everyone is important. With the Ninja Turtles, for example, in the opening song, it states, shall I sing for you? Leonardo leads, Donatello does machines. Raphael is cool but rude. Michelangelo is a party dude. So there's no judgment placed on any of these labels or skills. They're all necessary and important. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some insight into the sometimes hidden messages that are in some of the shows that your kids enjoy. Or maybe you enjoy them. I do. In my next video, I'll discuss some video games that may be giving your children valuable skills for real life, and also how they relate to the law of attraction. It may not always be a big waste of time, actually. Okay, guys? So have a great day, and be positive.